And now I'm going to show you how to bulk create an animated Instagram reel inside Canva. So I want you to create a design and I'm going to click on Instagram reel. And first of all, I just want to make this a nice lemon colour because I'm in a lemon mood today. So you click on yellow and choose your lemon colour. Ooh, don't like that one. That one will do. Okay. Now you get I'm just going to show you about the stickers. But don't go there. You have to go in the elements and then go to stickers. Now, for example, I'm going to show you this one. If it hasn't got the colour there, you cannot change it. Look, I can change it to blue. I can change it to black. I can change it to orange. So if it hasn't got the colour at the top, you cannot use it. Right. Now, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use a design that I've used before. And the code is going to be in the description at the bottom of the video. So if we go back here and hopefully it's going to work, get rid of that bit. Let's see. There you go. Now today I'm going to use this one. And if you go like this, and then you can change it to say white, orange. Let's have a look. Do we like the orange? And we're going to make it transparent. Yes, we do. So that's the background. Now, we're going to do the rectangle in the elements. Now, see if I can find it. See all. Right. I'll just see if I can find my rectangle. No, I can't. Let's go back and search animated rectangle. Let's have a look. We need graphics. That's the one I want there. Okay. So it's centered and you can change those colors, which I'll show you a bit later. Now you want the text. Now we want two texts. You could have one inside the box and one outside the box. But the thing is, what you've got to do is make it bigger so that that white thing goes there. Because if it goes outside the box now, when you put your text in, it will go outside this lovely box. So you want it inside the box. So we're just going to put one heading there. And I'm actually going to put the call to action. In fact, you can just copy that, duplicate that, and I'm going to put one underneath the box just about there, because when you reels come, all the text comes there, so you don't want it in below there. So that's about right, because it's about the same as that. Well, it is the same as that because I've just duplicated it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bulk create. So if you go to apps, and you actually don't have to, you just scroll down, press bulk create. And you want to enter the data manually. So what I've done is I've done a table. Let's show you the table to save time. And I can put this below as well. I'm promoting Bizstackpro, but sometimes if you do bizstackpro.com, it doesn't get the full weight of what it is. So I've described it like there's thousands of templates, you save money because all the tools are in one box and you get extra training for colouring books. So what you do now, and you also have to make 20 hooks for Instagram Reels in the first column to solve these problems, and then the second column is the call to action, and the third column is hashtags. So it's come up with all of these, which there's only one I don't like, but it doesn't matter. So you Control C, and if I've got the right one, you now enter data manually. And you put your cursor just there, and then it's done. So then you click here, connect book. Click here, connect data, and it's the CTA. If you wanted the hashtags, you could put it up anywhere. Now the magic continue. Generate 20 designs, and it should work now. And it's all the text should be inside the box. So this could be a little bit smaller, if you get my drift. So I could have made that a little bit smaller. But that's how you do it. Now, if you want the palettes design, if I get rid of that word, styles, I want to go. So you go design, styles, and then you can pick your colours along. So you can click on that, or you can click on it, or this one. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Right, let's try that one. Oh, that one. See, oh, I like the blues. Ooh, I quite like that one. So let's do this one. And go. Now, to get a different one, again. So if you colours to brand yourself, I don't know why it's not. So you click. So it's the first design, second design, third design, and so on and so on and so on, until you've finished. And you've got 20 Bizstackpro Reels, and that's it, guys. So I'll put the code and the description in the video below. Happy inventing your brand.
好，我们没有下雨，就是冷冷的这样。Good. 没有，这边没有下雨，完全没有。
I can't stop recording. Wait a minute. There it is.